Pripada, that belongs to the property, those blackberries in corner, and all the way there where is the fence. And goes, creek goes into the property, then out of the property, then comes again over there, in property, and then in. And behind is like a triangle, so everything is all the way to the house. Oof, so it's separated in two parts, 3 parts with the fence for the cows. And lots of those fences here, which can be, okay, and the house is like this. This is some cedar, which is thick but not so tall. It's okay, doesn't bother so much. Those are supposed to be 2 rooms, or room and a bathroom. And here, I don't know what is there, that is attic. And that's a room probably upstairs. Siding is good, windows are old. Big windows. They can be kept. Plum tree for jams. Huge, long one. Millions of them. Oh, that's the basement. I didn't even pay attention. Do you want to go there?
Think there's somebody living in it?
Huh?
Think there's somebody living in it?
No, they didn't take the things out. Oh, pipes and something. Don't see anything, but there is a pipe. I saw something white. So windows are big. This covered area is big and nice for concrete. See, this is nice area. And huge for 3 cars. Just the steps are there. And then front. Maple trees there. Juniper. Good over there. No need for painting. New door. Old windows.
You said something would burn.
Sad ću ja idem sada. Čekaj. Oh, that's for electricity. That's the well. And Anna. Let's go to the creek.
Yes, yes, yes.
It's a huge area.
Let's go.
Chestnuts, Kesten. That one doesn't give those which are for eating. You have to get the wire.
Hey, come on, come on.
Okay, I'm going around Anna first to take picture of the barn. This is metal roof. It's gonna last forever. Pa, we have rats too. Oh, they have carpet inside. I like these chairs and bench.
Cows lived here.
Come inside. Anna, wait. That's for putting under them. And door is nice because it's gets light. Here, what is here? Oh, horse. Evo ti ove, vidiš crvene, ali nemoj da ih diraš. To ne smije da se... Roof is metal. Ah, they put that on the top of the regular roof. Huh? Oh, that like a bamboo thing? Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, we
No, Mariola had that outside in Vista. Okay, wait.
Ours had cushions on it.
This is for scary Halloween stories. Oh yeah, you just put the hay down and they're eating. See how it goes through those holes. That's how. Over there are probably pigs. All other side was for pigs, I guess.
Whoa!
What, Anna? Wow, wow.
So big.
Watch out, don't fall somewhere.
No, I mean that's mostly.
Yeah, there is a part which they put the... Oh, swallow nest.
There's a lot of beehives over here.
Beehives or wasps' hives?
Wasp hives.
Okay, those.
They fell on the ground.
Čičak, eno ga čičak, ono tamo to što vidiš sa bockasto čičak.
I'm gonna go and get it. I just want to run through
And
here.
look behind that again, property and property and property and property.
So this right here was for piggies?
Well, I guess maybe not. No, it was for cows. I was just guessing. Okay, can we go down in a creek? Oh, another door and another. Huge, huge. Just not for us. And fence and wire. You have to have workers and look at the pipes and everything. Okay, I
So
didn't know
maybe
that.
sometimes those could then have worked this way. Great.
Aj,
Because we were
onda će onda da kupi. Njena kuća košta pola više, duplo više nego ova kuća. Samo i veće i sve. Ne znam da li možemo da idemo dole.
cougars.
Pa nema danju. Ali će da dođe ako se ti šećkaš noć. Samo ovdje je nekad vjerojatno bila bašta. Gledaj koliko je manjur. Imaš manjur da praviš baštu. Imaš đubre da praviš baštu.
Čak je bilo još unutra.
A ko će te da iznosi, Ana, ne treba ti. Pazi, nema širom da ga pravi. Ali bilo bi ti dosadno posle 5 dana. Gde ide struja? Where goes electricity? Pa kugor bi te našao. Čuje se 16. You can hear 16. Incoming, not outcoming. Not traffic which is going out. Ana, ovo je sve pripada ovako tamo, ali oni su ga ogradili zbog krava. Da se ne bockaju. Čak i pale nešto. That belongs to same this house. A. Je li ima voda? Je li ima vode bar malkice ili nema? Sve se osušilo? Pa ako si prošla bez ičega, onda nema voda. Pa, maybe because it's dry, but it's gonna come back. Of course. See how it goes even different direction. What is that? Tire?
It goes or comes.
No, when it's dry, probably during the summer there is nothing but that. Idemo preko. Tu malo. Pa čekaj, idemo malo na travu malo. O, što si dosadna. Evo ovako je u Mlačište, kad ideš na Pečinovo, tako. Samo što se kosi trava redovno. Ovdje nisu imali krave sigurno ove godine, pa je sve trava porasla. Blackberries će, kupine će sve da preuzmu. To je sve, znači, pripada ovome. Ta livadica, that belongs to same property. It's fully fenced. That's good. Oh, lešnik. Hazelnut. Lots of work. Who is gonna cut all that grass? And then creek goes away to the neighbor's property and then it's coming back. Molim. Oh, vidiš da tu ima voda. So there is a lot of water, just we have to go now back. A šta ako se udaviš tu?
Neću, tu je foto.
Ajde. At least there are no snakes here, so you can do whatever you want. Kupine! Ko će da ih seče? Ej, potok je nestao. Ajde.
Vidiš, još uvijek je mokro. Sad se nije bilo
Vidim. Ajde, izađi odatle. Kao u Mlačište, osjećam se kao da sam u Mlačište. That's a big creek.
That's what I've been saying, Mom.
Okay, come on. I don't have enough to record.
This is wild mint.
Pa imamo ga, sadili smo ga, Ana, peppermint. Ana, sadili smo ga ispred kuće. Dobro, sad mora da izađeš zato što ide u komšije. Then somebody behind goes in the neighbors. But they put the fence in the front so that cows won't go in the blackberries. I guess, yeah. Oh, you can go there and then there is a fence behind that. Yeah, creek goes there. Molim, Ana, Ja hoću da snimim sve pa ću da se vratim. Over there they are cutting grass probably. Here is not cut. Such a big property. Huge. And behind, they put a fence here for the cows, but behind that belongs to them too. Whole huge triangle, probably a couple of acres. And you can't go from one part to another because of that fence for the cows. Can't even see Anna, how far she is. Well, at least we are walking and having fun on property which doesn't belong to us. There is some muddy area in the middle. This side is separated in 3 areas, while this property has only one. Yes, Anna, yes. So it keeps going. Oh, it goes down. And they separated this area for the cows. But fence goes all the way down. Other fence, okay. They were too lazy for cows and they got rid of so many acres behind the creek. Probably it's safer for cows from those pumas. Oh, the huge water is there. Huge water. Yeah, huge water. It's a really creek. So it's joining that other one, which is stronger, and it's continuing to be black. Yes, yes, Anna, because fence is behind. But that's huge area. You can maybe they put the fence because of the cows. I guess to protect the cows, because fence is all the way back. Yes. So these are like two little creeks from this property. This is feather from the hawk. Do you want to take that feather? Little house on the prairie, almost.
I know, right?
Watch out, it's maybe there is no water. But look how big and tall grass is there. It's hard to. What? Pana animals, they have animals here. Oh, ptica neka, dobro. Šta je ovo maple tree? Behind that property is probably 4 acres minimum that they. Oh, look at that, under that. Yeah, that's some. Dobro. Otvaranje. Kapi, Ana. Iš. Ptico, pa to je jastreb. Hak. Hoćeš da ideš ovamo da vidiš potok? Pa hoću dok mogu da snimam, Ana. Hawk! Look, it's flying! It's still flying. Is it eagle? Eagle, brown one or hawk?
Or eagle. It looks pretty big.
Okay, this is all river, huge river.
River?
Yeah.
Move!
So these two little ones are joining big one, which is really blackjack. Wow! Muddy. And now you understand the salmons are coming here. Šta?
There's little baby fishies.
Where?
Oh, well, they left.
Then they are maybe natural salmons without hatchery. Wow!
My favorite part about it. There's one there.
Including puma? Look how water is coming, Anna.
Crawfish. There's crawfish.
Look at the water damaging trees.
Hey, I get it. There's crawfish.
Yeah, I see that.
Wait, is that? Are they? Can I take off my shoes, please?
Ne, umreće, Ana.
Ne, ja samo hoću da priđem. Neću da ih uhvatim.
Nemoj da ti ideš u vodu ledene.
Mama.
Ana, kako ćeš da se vratiš posle kad je mokro? Ajde, idi. Ne mogu više ni da dođe. Udavit ću se ja zbog tebe. A evo i odavde do ozgo dolazi potok. I baš je ovde sve vodno.
Ali to nisu. To je neka...
Drvo?
To je biljka. Crvena. Malo je hladna, ali nije.
To mora da bude ledena voda. Nemoj da budeš dugo u njoj. Oh, here is mud. I'm sinking.
It's like a little lake over here.
Okay, I don't see because I have to jump over these things, and how will I back?
Oh, it's really cold. Oh, I need boots. Oh. Ah!
It's almost like a lake.
Way over here.
So you see, property behind is a lot. Behind that. I cannot go now, Anna.
Hey, someone fill up this everything. Easy. Watch out. It's like a lake.
Yeah, it's like a lake. You can take a bath.
Oh, mommy, there's blackberries over here.
Okay, don't step on something, because see that house over there? Property is all the way to somewhere there. And there should be fence behind, like a triangle there.
Mom, I get it.
Okay, I'm just telling you.
Now I have to be really careful with this one. Kada nešto dolazi ovdje i pije vodu.
Pa imaju životinje, Ana. I plus toga jeleni dolaze.
Jeleni?
Pa jeleni, Ana, ovdje ima jelena koliko hoćeš. Čekaj da te slikam i s ovime.
It's like a little lake. It's like a little lake. We could make an artificial lake, and then we can put fish in here that we catch. Oh, so cool, so cool. Ah! Like the ice cubes. But I want to stay here for a couple more minutes because I just made that dirt.
Ja nemam dovoljno da snimam, Ana, ja ne prekidam uopšte.
Sada, ali nešto sad ovo ima magla. Male ribe trebaju da dođu ovdje da hvataju stvari.
Kako je čisto. Ovdje samo ptičice su dolazile, a tamo ne znam šta je dolazilo. Ana, šta ćemo da radimo ovdje? Ja ne smijem da to ostavljam samo.
Ali ja sam u raj, ne shvataš?
Pa onda radi pa zaradi pare. Niko ne može ti kupi to sve. I što je tamo, ko će da dolazi ovdje? Ne se ni da stanem dole. Ide dalje.
See, there is crawdads. I just found a claw.
Šta?
I found a claw from a crawdad. Crawfish. Yep, it's a claw.
Dobro, Ana, ajde idemo polako. Nešto je pojela. Ajde, ajde, ajde. That leaf is going away. Bye bye, leafy, leafy. Good. Now it's gonna be fast, 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 fast.
What? Is there something there?
No, I'm just. So this is elm.
Wouldn't it be fun to just jump in here?
Jump, Anna, jump.
No, I'm not.
So that's elm
Wait,
and blackberries.
what's it called? Beavers. There's beavers here. Look.
We don't even see the here.
Let's find the sheep.
House. Oh, and now I see the house. Oh, colibri, hummingbird, hummingbird, hummingbird is standing there. But this one is the neighbor. Now you understand how salmon can go far, far away. If it's during the summer, this deep, can you imagine how deep it's during the winter? Probably flooding almost all the way to the top. Okay, let's go see a little bit further. Oh, some electricity is there. So, hey, Anna, be careful over there, some wires there. So I don't want you to get electrified. Stay away from that area.
Wait, you have to wait here too. because my feet need to dry off a bit so I can put on my shoes.
Come here.
I don't want something to happen to my feet. Ugh.
It's really... We call this a river. We will call this river because it's really big in this area. Ok, pogledaj, ovdje je struja, pazi. Struja. Ana, moraš da budeš obuvena. Ako si blizu struje.
Ja sam to rekao tebi.
Obuj se.
Onda čekaj me. Mora da se osuši.
Ana, dosta vrištanja.
There's ladybugs. There's so many ladybugs.
Fence is far away, you cannot even see. If Anna was screeching, I wouldn't hear her from the house. Ajde, si gotova? Ana, snimam 30 minuta, sad će da prekine. Pa neću da prekidam uopšte.
Alright, needs my shoes. Ugh. That's annoying mom. Let's go. Let's go.
Baš si morala sad da izađeš na sliku? Eto ga ponovo. Tu ne možeš da prođeš sigurno. Tu sve je fence, vidiš? Mora si da ovdje si izaći. Have to go up. Čičak. Čičak, boc, boc. That's like an appendix, right? And where water goes then? Oh, behind that, okay. We can go there, continue, continue. Kako je bistra voda. So clear. Oh, this is nice area.
I'm pretty sure this is edible, but I can't.
Ne jedi ništa.
I know.
Wow,
Oh, and there's more spinach.
such a big river. Creek as a river. Wow. Znači ovdje je samo jedna grančica pala i sve zatvora. So this bush just clogged. Behind you there is a bush which fell down from the river, from the rock, creek. And that's why it's stopping the water. Clogged, yeah.
No, because the water's still going.
Wow.
Oh, that's...
Okay, there are so many blackberries in the front.
Mom,
Molim.
what's that?
Šta?
There's metal bars.
Ne znam, Ana, neko je nešto stavio, bacio. Ovo je ono cveće što cveta roze. Pink flower. They were throwing things away for 100 years, maybe more. Okay, you cannot go any further. But there is like a tree which you can use as a bridge. See that?
Unless you went in the water and then
No.
underneath.
But it's a good bridge. You don't have it to hold. Just over there is a fence. Okay, we have to go back or go to some other part of the property, remember? Behind the fence?
Oh, there's a little island. There's really honestly
Stani,
gonna
stani,
live here.
stani.
Really, really wanna live.
Dobro, stani.
We're starting to leave.
Dobro. Idemo?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. That slug scared me. There's a big slug, Mommy. Look at how big it is. No, that. I'm gonna throw it in the water. The fishes feed.
Are we going or not?
One second, I want to throw the sluggy to the fishies. See you later, sucker. See, it's the orange thing moving. Oh wait, I think it got stuck.
I didn't.
Dead sluggy again. Oh, look at that. The leaf got stuck on the branch. And now, oh, that was stinging nettle. I just got stung. That was not good. I'm already itching.
Idemo, Ana. Watch out for the blackberries. Oh, look at myself.
Oh, it's itching. Oh, there's more stinging nettle. How are you not getting stung yet? First time. And it hurts. How does anyone notice this?
I didn't. And this is just half of the property. All the way to that house, exactly where the house ends. So that's,
Mommy.
there is no probably any outlet to... Anna! Idemo, vraćamo se da prođemo opet hak. You want to go there, I want to go...
I put my hand in the water.
It won't help anything. Oh, tree fell. Fell and broke the fence here. I didn't see that. I was passing by. So this is 2 seasonal creeks on a property and blackjack all year round.
Oh, I got one.
Šta? Pa ne vidim ga niski.
Here you go. Here you go. Come on. Come on. Should be faster,
Ajde idemo.
Wait, what is that?
36 minuta, Ana, staće kamera.
Hey!
Šta juriš sad?
Something big.
Baš je brza voda. It's really fast. Especially here in the corner. They can jump and jump and jump and go, 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 go. But just this area is open for the water. What?
There's mud. 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 This shoes are gonna have a good clean leg. They're in the current.
Ana, ajdemo. Kao da nas je doveo u park. Osjeća se kao da si došla u park. Šteta što ja ne mogu da idem dole. It's too cold for me. I would like to go and to see on other side how it looks like. Jim is gonna think Puma got us.
Yeah. That would happen in the photo.
So you want to go on another side again? Treba da mu javimo. Da, rekla sam ti, to je već drugi potočić. Ajde, gledaj me, pređeš ovde, gledaj, staneš tu, da sam stala i pređeš ovde. Molim. Koliko je duboko? About half yard, probably. 2 feet, probably maximum here. Fish! Fish! Big one! Oh, not so big, but a small one. Small one, how many? Salmon, that's probably oh, wow, 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 wow. So fast. One is like this, and look how many of them over there. Look how many. Look. Wow! Those are salmons. Or trouts. I don't know, trouts.
See them. Yeah,
Did you see them?
I see them. I see them.
Well, look how many of them.
That's cool.
But that one was big, like you got the one at Long Lake.
Really?
Yeah, that was, but it was so fast. So that's trout probably, because it's not
Yeah,
season
that
for
means
the.
we can go fishing here.
It's not season for the. And you see them? Do you see them more, or maybe they're because we are talking too much? They got scared. They got scared because we are talking.
I'm gonna come right there.
What?
Well, that isn't big enough, though.
No, they came because we were quiet and there was nobody around.
No, they're still there.
Oh yeah, they're here, moving in the shade,
Here.
and then going
They're
that
like
way. Yeah, yeah, I see them. Wow!
They should be coming. Right?
Yeah, 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 gledaj, 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 tamo su, evo ih, tamo su. Vidi sad prolaze tamo.
And they're probably staying here because there's not that much of a current. Well, they're gonna come right here.
Okay, Ana, we have to go.
Oh, Mom!
40 minuta, on će da nas ostavi ovdje. Ja ne znam što on radi tamo
No,
koliko.
because it was sale time.
Pa ne možemo cijel dan, Ana. Onda treba da mu kažemo da nas ostavi pa da dođe večeras. A šta će da jedeš?
Ništa. Leave.
Aj.
That was kind of
Šta? Are we going?
No, getting a stick.
E vidiš, u mlačištu imaš sve to i još nemaš pantere, nemaš pume. Slobodno možeš da radiš šta god hoćeš. Ovo još snima, ja ne znam kakva će da bude taj video. 45 minuta, sad će da prekine u tom. Zato što je to nenormalno dugačko. Sad da snimimo još neku ribicu ovdje. Yeah, they're here. Ooh, so many of them. Like a salmon, they're swimming like a salmon. Eto ga hak. Nema ih više. I don't see them right now. Ajde, Ana, treba da snimim ceo property. Pa vratili bi se da mu kažemo, slušaj, idemo da mu kažemo da nas ostavi, a da on ide u Lowe's da kupi stvari. Aj, pa ćemo da se vratimo ako nam dozvoli. Hoćeš? Ali nemam više da snimam ništa. To je sve maksimalno. Pa ne, nisam htjela da prekinem ovo. Ovo je maksimalno koliko može da se snimi. I'm gonna drown here. Muddy. Bljak. Šta je to skočilo tamo?
I got you, bud.
Šta je skočilo tamo?
To je one bube.
Ma ne, čulo se bop. Baš. A ne mora da se javimo čovjeku. Ajde da se vratimo i da mu kažemo bar da ćemo da sedimo ovdje. Ajde. Da li si me čula?
Ja, čula sam.
Kako ovdje ima tragovi. Če 48 minuta, nisam znala da može toliko da snima. Ana, on će da poludi. Sorry, daj da te snimim tu pored.
Ne.
Idemo?
Idemo.
Idemo ovom stranom tu da se... Ajde.
Sani, gdje su moje stvari?
Koje tvoje stvari? Koje stvari? Ne znam ni na šta misliš, koje stvari. A, eto ga, Hag. Bye bye, Krik. Ovdje, Ana. Ovdje, gledaj me, ovdje da završimo.
I onda dolazimo ovdje nazad.
Ne, pitamo ga, da vidimo da li...
Da, ako on kaže da.
Možda već otišao. Indijan. Ajde idemo ovom stranom. Evo pipe. Znači, to je... Šta je sad?
Ti si sama rekla da on će te poluditi.
Kola su još uvijek tamo, nije smio da nas ostavi. Šta je? Stavi to perce u klavu. Ajde, da mu se javi. Ispred nas je opet blato neko. Ja, mora da idemo okolo. Jeste, moramo da idemo okolo. Pa vidiš, ovo je blato. Možda je suvo, ali... Znači ima za krave i za konje. Vidiš kako je tu još uvijek sveže žuto cveće. I don't think that we can go through that completely and
This is just like marshland.
A da, ali ima blato. Vidjela si da ide curi voda. This is just one half. Je li ima blato ili nema?
Pa ima nešto što je donalo blato.
Pa je li suvo?
Da. Viš,
Ajde, idemo.
šta je to?
Blato.
Blato je od dve. Kako je?
Pa nešto je išlo, kopala. Je li ima vode ili nema? Da prolazim ili ne? Voda?
Ne, pčela!
Ovo je blato. Kao naše blato u Mlačištu s onim za pravljenje korpica. A? Nije, ovo je za korpice se pravi ovo. Kao u naše blato.
Ovo je za korpice!
Da. I to mi imamo u Mlačištu isto u blato.
Onda moraš mi pokažeš kako da pravim korpice.
Pa ne znam. A tamo je kosili i tamo je sveže zeleno. A tamo je detelina. Klaver. Uf. Looks so muddy, but it's not muddy. At least you can walk around without fear during the day with somebody.
Pčele!
Šta?
Nisam ni još videla bambove. Sve su normalne pčele. Pčele.
Ups. Pala sam u neku rupu. Jim je poludeo.
Njegovo to.
Jesi ti doručkovala? Nisi, da. Wow, baš je velika. I manje i ogromno mi. A ova kuća tamo je. To je rosana. It's a dew. But it's dry under that. But it's wet for anything underneath. Ish. Da li snima, ne znam.
Ovdje bi moglo da zec bude, da ga gledamo.
Oh, pa Hauk će da ga uhvati za 3 minuta. On ne može da skoči, zec ne može da skoči na ovakva travu. It's all wet. Dew. She wants to put the rabbit here. Rabbit will be dead in 3 seconds.
Može da se ide tamo.
Znam. Šta je ovo? Pesak je ispod. Sand. It's a sand. Pa znam, dosadno mu je. Take a picture of this. Nek ide u prodavnici, neka donese kese za šljive. Pa podsjeti me, Ana. Pričam u kameru pa je sve glupo. Still recording. Molim. Đubre. Ovdje sam vidjela. Šta? Ana, to isto možeš ti da mu kažeš.